Good morning, everyone. I am Kate Cassandra D. De La Cruz, but you can call me Teacher Kate or Mom Kate. So, before we start, can anyone lead a prayer? Yes? Okay? Let's bow our head and feel the presence of God. Amen. Now, you may now take your seat. Again, good morning, everyone. Do we have any absent today? None? Very good. Now that we are ready, let's have a quick review of our previous lesson. Who can tell me what we discussed yesterday? Yes, Nak? Tama! It's all about respiratory system. Now my first question is, what is the main function of the respiratory system? Yes? Okay, very good. Next is, through which part does air enter the body? Yes, at the back? Okay, very good. And my last question is, what gas do we release when we exhale? Yes? Okay, very good, class. You still remember our lesson very well. So today, we'll study another very important system in our body, the urinary system. This system helps our body remove waste through urine. Para siyang cleaning system ng katawan, kasi siya ang nagpifilter ng dumi at tubig na hindi na kailangan. First is the kidneys. The kidneys are the main organs of the urinary system. Para silang mga filter sa tubig. They clean the blood, tanggalin ang mga dumi at ilabas ito as urine. Imagine nyo na parang water filter. Nililinis niya ang tubig, pero dito sa ating katawan, ang nililinis ay blood. Next is the ureters. After malinis ng kidneys ang dugo at mag-produce ng urine, saan napupunta ang urine? Yes? Tama! It will travel through the ureters. The ureters are two thin tubes, tig-isa sa bawat kidneys. At sila ang nagdadala ng urine papunta sa bladder. Next is the bladder. The bladder is like a small bag inside our body. It stores the urine until it's time to release it. When the bladder is full, we feel the urge to go to the bathroom. So the bladder is our temporary storage for urine. And last is the urethra. Kapag ready na ang katawan na ilabas ang urine, dadaan ito sa urethra. The urethra is the final passageway palabas ng mayroon tayong mga muscle na tinatawag na sphincters na nagbubukas at nagsasara dito para makontrol natin kung kailan tayo mag-pee. Isa ay involuntary muscle. Ibig sabihin, automatic. Hindi natin iniisip. At yung isa naman ay voluntary muscle. Ibig sabihin, kaya natin kontrolin. Kaya tayo nakakapili when to go to the bathroom. So, class, the urinary system is made up of kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Ang trabaho nila ay tulungan ng katawan na alisin ang wastes sa dugo at panatilihing healthy tayo. So always remember, drink enough water every day to keep your urinary system healthy. Okay, our next lesson is about the male reproductive system. The main functions of this system are to produce, store, and transport sperm and semen. Next is to discharge sperm into the female reproductive system. And last is to produce male sex hormones like testosterone. Now, let's talk about its parts. We have external structures. First is penis. The penis is the male reproductive organ. It has three parts: the root, the shaft, and the glans. The root is which attached to the body. The shaft is the body of the penis. And the glans or the head, which is the cone shape. The penis releases semen, which contains sperm. Kapag ang penis ay erect, urine flow is blocked, kaya semen lang yung lumalabas. Next is scrotum. The scrotum is the loose pouch of skin na nakasabit sa ilalim ng penis. Inside the scrotum are the testes. It acts like a protective bag and also controls the temperature to keep sperm healthy. Next is the testes or testicles. Ito yung oval shape, about the size of large olives. Dito, ginagawa yung testosterone or yung tinatawag na the male sex hormone at sperm cells. Inside the testes are seminiferous tubules, kung saan nangyayari ang spermatogenesis or yung tinatawag na the process of sperm reproduction. Next is the epididymis. Ito yung cold tube sa likod ng testes. Dito, ini-store yung sperm at pinapamature bago sila mag-travel sa vas deferens. We also has internal reproductive organs. First is the vas deferens. Ito yung long muscular tube na nagdadala ng sperm mula sa epididymis papunta sa ureta for ejaculation. Next is the ejaculatory ducts. It is formed by the union of vas deferens and seminal vesicles. Dito dumadaan yung semen papunta sa ureta. Next is the ureta. Ito yung tube na naglalabas ng urine and semen palabas ng body. Pero during the erection, semen lang yung lumalabas. Next is the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles produce fluid rich in sugar or tinatawag na fructose na nagbibigay energy sa sperm at tumutulong sa movement nila. This fluid forms a large part of semen. Next is the prostate gland, a walnut-sized gland near the bladder. Gumagawa ito ng fluid na nagno-nourish sa sperm at tumutulong para lumabas ng semen during the ejaculation. Next is the vulvaretal glands, or tinatawag na Cowper's glands. Ito yung maliit na glands under the prostate. Gumagawa ito ng clear na slippery fluid para i-lubricate yung ureta at i-neutralize ang acidity mula sa urine residues. So class, the male reproductive system works together to produce, protect, and transport sperm, and also to secrete hormones like testosterone. The external parts include the penis, scrotum, and testes, while the internal parts include the vas deferens, ureta, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and vulvaretal glands.